One of the most important parts of academic writing is to reference. We can't just say whatever we want. We have to back that up. We have to provide a reference. Now that reference can be to any type of material. Ideally in academic writing, we do use peer-reviewed sources, so journal articles. But it's also perfectly acceptable to reference books, conferences, videos, and even ChatGPT. The important part here is that we're recognizing that we didn't come up with the information ourselves. Somebody else already had, so we're giving them that recognition. Just the same way we do on social media when we tag somebody if we use or share their content. We're showing that we haven't stolen ideas, images, or words from other people. There is one exception to this, and that is if you're writing something that is universally accepted. For example, the sun rises in the east. You don't need to reference that because for you to find the reference of the very first person that said that would be impossible. Was it Plato? Was it Socrates? It's impossible to know, but it's universally accepted. So in those instances, you don't need to provide a reference. You'll probably notice this a lot when you read journal articles. Oftentimes the very first sentence or two in the introduction doesn't actually have a reference, even though they're stating something that they didn't come up with. And that's why. It's because it's usually such a big statement and it's something that's accepted by the community.